Another day, another story. Saudi Arabia, officially known as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is a country located in the Middle East on the Arabian Peninsula. Renowned for its rich cultural heritage, significant historical sites, and economic influence, Saudi Arabia is a key player in global affairs. Here are 10 intriguing facts about this nation. Number 1. Custodianship of the two holy mosques. Saudi Arabia is home to two of the holiest cities in Islam, Mecca and Medina. The country takes great pride in being the custodian of the two holiest mosques, the Masjid al-Haram in Mecca and the Prophet's Mosque in Medina, making it a focal point for millions of Muslims around the world. Number 2. World's largest oil reserves. Saudi Arabia possesses the world's largest proven oil reserves, playing a pivotal role in the global energy market. The country's economy has been historically dependent on oil exports, and its strategic position in the industry has contributed significantly to its economic development. Number 3. Saudi Vision 2030. In an effort to diversify its economy and reduce its dependency on oil, Saudi Arabia launched the ambitious Vision 2030 initiative. This comprehensive plan aims to transform the country into a global investment powerhouse, emphasizing sectors such as tourism, entertainment, and technology. Number 4. Desert landscape. Much of Saudi Arabia is characterized by vast deserts, including the Rub' al-Khali, or Empty Quarter, one of the largest continuous sand deserts in the world. Despite its arid climate, the country boasts diverse landscapes, from mountains to coastlines. Number 5. Islamic legal system. Saudi Arabia follows a legal system based on Islamic law, or Sharia. The country's legal framework is deeply rooted in Islamic principles, and religious scholars play a significant role in interpreting and implementing the law. Number 6. Riyadh, the capital. Riyadh, the capital and largest city of Saudi Arabia, serves as the political, financial, and administrative hub of the country. The city has experienced rapid urbanization and modernization in recent decades, with impressive infrastructure and architectural developments. Number 7. Saudi Arabian cuisine. Saudi Arabian cuisine reflects a blend of traditional flavors and influences from the broader Middle East. Staple foods include dates, rice, lamb, and various spices. Mansaf, a dish made with seasoned lamb and rice, holds cultural significance and is often served during special occasions. Number 8. Conservative dress code. Saudi Arabia follows a conservative dress code influenced by Islamic principles. Women traditionally wear an abaya, a loose-fitting black cloak, in public, while men typically wear a thobe, a long white robe. However, recent years have seen some relaxation in dress codes for women. Number 9. Arabian Peninsula's largest country. Covering a vast area of approximately 2.15 million square kilometers, Saudi Arabia is the largest country on the Arabian Peninsula. Its diverse geography encompasses deserts, mountains, and coastlines along the Red Sea and the Arabian Gulf. Number 10. Historical sites. Saudi Arabia is home to numerous historical and archaeological sites. Madan Salah, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features well-preserved Nabatean tombs and ruins, reminiscent of Petra in Jordan. The country's rich history is also evident in ancient cities such as Diriyah and Jeddah's Al-Balad district. These facts offer a glimpse into the multifaceted nature of Saudi Arabia, blending tradition with modernization, and playing a crucial role on the global stage. Thanks for watching.